Good morning, students. So the last concept in three-dimensional geometry is what? Section formula. Okay, in the section formula already 10 standard nag ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ with respect to what? Two coordinates, that is p x comma y and q x1 comma y1 and q x2 comma y2 ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗದ? So the two given points are what? p x1 y1 z1. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ x1 y1 z1, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ x2 y2 z2. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, there is one more point called as r x y z which is dividing pq in the ratio m:n internally. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ p ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Okay, one more point I take q here. Okay, this pq is divided by r. Okay, so same thing I have shown here. This is p and this is q point. So p point in tagondeni x1 y1 z1. Q point is what? x2 y2 z2. It is divided by the point r. R is what? X y z. Okay, so now in what ratio it has divided? It has divided in the ratio m:n. Okay, from here I draw PL. Okay, then Rn and Qm. All these three lines I draw it perpendicular to the xy plane. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy plane ada, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? PL, Rn and Qm. These three lines I draw it perpendicular to a xy plane. Okay, so there is a point P, there is a point Q, and it is divided by the point R. Then I'm going to draw the perpendiculars like this. Okay, to xy plane. So this is the diagram. Okay, now you can see here PL, it is parallel to Rn, Rn is parallel to Qm. Same thing I've written here. Okay, next, through this point R, draw ST. One more line you have to draw ST. ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈ point ಇಂದ ST ಒಂದು line draw ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, and that ST should be parallel to LM. This ST line should be parallel to LM. Okay, so ST will intersect the LP externally at point S. So this is your line LP. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, S ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, externally meet ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. So here also it will intersect at what? T point. MQ point na T point ಗ externally intersect ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. Okay, so the diagram is how? First you have to draw PQ. P is what? x1 y1 z1. Q is x2 y2 z2. From PQ you have to draw a point R. So this will be xyz. Okay, then you have to draw the perpendiculars PL, Rn and Qm to xy plane. Okay, then PL is parallel to Rn, Rn is parallel to Qm. Then through this point R I draw one more line ST. Okay, this S is what? It is an external line to the LP point, and QM igo T enadala external point ada. So this is the description of the diagram. Okay, so next what you have to do? You have to derive the derivation. Okay, by considering the points. Okay, first thing what I have considered, I have taken here a note. Okay, note, quadrilaterals LNRS and NMTR are parallelograms. So let me describe it in the diagram. LNRS, this one, LNRS and RQMN. These two are what? Parallelograms. As these lines are parallel to each other, so illen ಆಗ್ತದ LNRS ಒಂದು parallelogram ಆಗ್ತದ, RNMQ ಇದು ಒಂದು parallelogram ಆಗ್ತದ. Okay, so same thing I have written here. Next, the triangles PSR and QTR are similar. No need of proving it why it is similar, but what they are telling, PSR, this triangle, and QTR, E triangle, these two triangles are similar anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are telling PSR triangle and RQT, these two triangles are similar. So similarity ನೀವು 10th standard ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. By using some similarity, AA criteria ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or by using RHS or SAS similarity criterions use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, you can consider these two as parallel lines. This will be a transversal line. So two parallel lines, and if it is cut by a transversal line, then you can take alternate angles are equal. Okay, here also alternate angles are equal. Then these are vertically opposite angles. Then by using what? AAA criterion, you can tell that these two triangles are what? Similar. Okay, so by using which criteria? AAA criterion, these two triangles are similar. Why? Because there are two parallel lines. It is cut by a transversal line. ಎರಡು parallel lines na ಒಂದು transversal line cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, then the following pairs like alternate angles, then adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles will be equal. Using that concept, I have written that these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, then the sides will be in proportion. Okay, similarity, the theorem concept eno, if the sides are in proportion, then the triangles are similar, or if triangles are similar, then the sides are in proportion. So illi enaitu, sides triangles are similar, so I have to write that sides are in proportion. That is what m by n is equal to PR divided by QR. Okay, if you see the diagram, so PR divided by QR. Okay, SP divided by QT. Okay, so what I have written, PR divided by QR, SP divided by QT. These are in proportion. So in place of SP, I write it as SL minus PL. Okay, so what I have written, SL minus PL in place of what? SP. So SP ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾನು? ಹೋಲ್ SL ಒಳಗ PL ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದ? SP ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ QT ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? QN minus MT. Okay, QM minus TM is equal to what? QT. Okay, I have replaced SP by SL minus PL and QT by QM minus TM. Okay, then we know that SL is equal to NR. If you see the diagram, SL is equal to NR length. This is NR. So in place of SL, write again NR. So it will be NR minus PL divided by QM minus NR, because TM is also equal to NR. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರಂದ್ರ, PL ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ NR ಬರೀಲಿಕತ್ತಾರ, again TM ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ they are writing it as NR. Okay, NR is what? Z minus Z1 divided by Z2 minus Z. How this came? Okay, if you see the diagram here. Okay, what is R? It is X, Y, Z. Okay, what is P? X1, Y1, Z1. What is Q? X2, Y2, Z2. Okay, so in place of what they have written, just check here, NR. So NR is this. Okay, NR, R point comes here. Okay, so you have to take it as Z because this is Z axis. Okay, so NR place I have taken it as Z. Okay, minus Z1, PL. PL means what? This length. This is PL. Okay, P point. Where it comes P point? Z1. This is Z. Okay, so I have taken it as Z1. Then divided by Z2 minus Z. Again NR is Z same. Illi Z2 bandad. Z2 heng bandad andra what it is? QM. This is QM. Andra ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Q point ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So as it is Z axis, you have to take it as Z2. Okay. So in place of this, I have substituted the results. NR iddale Z minus Z1 divided by Z2 minus Z. Okay. So M by N is equal to Z minus Z1 divided by Z2 minus Z1. Now cross multiply this. M into Z2 minus Z is equal to N into Z minus Z1. M into Z2 minus M into Z is equal to N into Z minus N into Z1. Okay, then take z1 and z2 on one side, z terms on one side. Z common tagondaga you get z is equal to m into z2 plus n into z1 divided by n plus 1. So this is what you have to remember. Okay, similarly by drawing the perpendiculars to the other two axes, ಈಗ xy ಪ್ಲೇನಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ z ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. If you draw it to yz plane, you get the value of x. It is what mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So the main important thing is what you have to remember this formula. What is the formula? So formula for all the three you have to remember. So what formula it gives is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus 1. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and this is z coordinate. Okay, so y bekandre my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by n plus n. Idu externally iddag, sorry, internally iddag. This is the formula for internally. If it is externally, then replace n by minus n. You will get everywhere minus sign. So externally antiddaga minus bartada, internally iddaga plus bartada. So only thing what is important here is you have to remember this formula. Okay, to find the x coordinate, it is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. To find the y coordinate, it is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. To find the z coordinate, it is mz2 plus nz1 divided by n plus n. Okay, so this is the most important derivation what you have in the first year. So remember this formula, okay, very well. So here we arise with two following cases for this. Okay, the first case is what? If suppose m is to n ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ 1:1 ratio ನಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, m x2 ಅದ, so it becomes m into m is 1, n is also 1. So this becomes 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, if you substitute in place of m and n as 1 and 1, you get y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Z is equal to z1 plus z2 divided by 2. This is also known as what? Midpoint formula. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 1 point ಇರ್ತದ, x2 1 point ಇರ್ತದ. This is x. Okay, it is divided in the ratio 1:1 means you can find it as x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay. Suppose the coordinates are given in the ratio k is to 1, then it will be k into x2 means what? m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by ಏನಾಯ್ತಿ m plus n ಅದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ? k ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. m ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? k into x2 plus 1 into x1 will be x1 divided by k plus 1. Similarly, here also m is what? K into y2 plus y1 divided by 1 plus k or k plus 1. K into z2 plus z1 divided by 1 plus k. Okay, so this we can solve it by using some examples so that the example becomes more clear. Find the coordinates of the point A and B. There are 2 points given, 1, -2 and 3, 3, 4 and -5. Okay, they are divided in the ratio 2:3. Internally and externally both they have to find. Okay, so I take one point A. A is given as what? 1, -2 and 3. One point in kottara 1, 2 and -2. Innond point 3, 4 and -5 kottara. So divide ಮಾಡುವಂತ ratio m is to n ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? 2:3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. Okay, m value is 2 and n value is 3. This is just like P and Q. This will be x1, y1, z1. This will be x2, y2, z2. Okay, first x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate I have to find. So what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Then mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Correct? So substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. First point, m value ಎಷ್ಟದ 2 into x2 value 3 plus n value 3 into x1 value 1 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay. Next, m is how much? 2 into y2 value is 4 plus n is 3, y1 value minus 2 divided by m plus n is 2 plus 3. Next, m value is 2, z2 value is minus 5 plus n value is 3, z1 value 3 divided by 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 6 plus 3 divided by 5, 8 minus 6 divided by 5, then minus 10 plus 9 divided by 5. So which answer you get? 9 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 10 plus 1 will be minus 1 by 5. So these are the coordinates when you divide them internally. Okay. So externally same ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, but m ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? -3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is what mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು m by 2 minus n by 1 divided by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. Okay. So externally I hope you'll do it. Just by replacing plus sign by minus. Plus iddalala minus hakot hogri. So same formula you will get here minus everywhere. Okay. So answer will differ here. Clear? So first see the coordinates, write them, then see the ratio, then substitute it in the formula. Okay. This is how we are going to find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment. Okay. So one more last example I'll teach you. Using section formula, prove that the 3 points are collinear. You have already seen it in previous example. By using distance formula also you can solve it. They are collinear. But distance formula bittu if they are collinear ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, using section formula ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ you have to take this. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು A, B, C 3 points ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So A point is minus 4, 6, 10. B point is 2, 4 and 6. C point is 14, 0, minus 2. Okay, let it divide in the ratio k is to 1. Because I don't know the ratio, I have taken it as k is to 1. Okay, so first barkond bidri coordinates. Okay, so mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so this will be equal to m, this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay, this point you leave it as it is. Okay, so first m what I have taken k into x2 value is how much? 2. K into 2 plus n value 1 into x1 value is minus 4 divided by m plus n is what? K plus 1. Next, m into y2. So m value is k into y2 value eshada 4 plus n it is 1 into y1 value 6 divided by k plus 1. Next, m value is k into z2 value is 6 plus n value is 1 into z1 value 10 divided by k plus 1. Okay, by taking what? 2 points A and B. Okay, so what do I get? 2 into k, 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. Next, k into 4, 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Next, 6k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. So these are the 2. Okay, I equate this AB to the point C. That means what? C will coincide with the point AB anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So whether it comes correct or not I have to take. Andra, this is equal to the first coefficient, that is 14. This is equal to the second, that is 0. This is equal to the third one, that is minus 2 anta ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, by taking any one, first let me find the ratio. First one identity ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1 is equal to what I have to take? It is 14. Okay, so k plus 1 goes this side. 2k minus 4 is equal to what? 14k plus 14. Correct? So take this 14 on this side. Minus 4 minus 14 is equal to 14k minus 2k. So minus 18 is equal to 14 minus 2 is how much? 12k. So k is equal to minus 18 divided by 12. So you can cancel it. 6 3s are 6 2s are. So k value you get it as minus 3 by 2. Okay. So k value is how much? Minus 3 by 2. So k value na idrolage substitute madri. First 4 into minus 3 by 2 plus 6 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, I am substituting in this unit. 4 into 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 into 2 is how much? Minus 6 plus 6 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 6 is how much? 0. So you are getting 0, which is nothing but second coordinate. Next, substitute in this 6k plus 10. So 6 into k value is how much? Minus 3 by 2 plus 10 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. Minus into minus. Sorry, minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 10 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus 1 by 2. Correct? So this is how much? 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 divided by minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 2. This goes to the numerator. So you get the answer as minus 2. So third coordinate is minus 2. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Then you have to take the ratio as k is to 1. Substitute them. Okay. After getting the equations, then substitute for the first one. First unit na first one substitute madri, you will get the value of k. Then check whether it is satisfying for the other 2 points also. K value na other 2 points ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು whether it is satisfying or not ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear? So this completes 3-dimensional geometry. The important things what you have to learn in this concept is, first, what is an octant? That is 8 quadrants will be there. Then the signs of all the 8 quadrants kaliri. Next to distance formula, make a note of it. Okay. Then the last concept, section formula. Okay, very small chapter. All these 3, especially regarding the formula, make it perfect. Okay. So this completes all the chapters which were supposed to be completed by me. So next onwards we will take up with revisions only of the chapters which are included for the next year. Okay, thank you.